Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete photo on Tinder. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a Tinder application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Tinder has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your profile. Right under your name, you'll be able to find the option for edit profile. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the edit profile interface. You'll be able to see all of your photos over here. So if you want to delete the photo, right below the photo, you'll be able to find the cross icon. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here: replace photo, delete photo. If you want to add another photo instead of this photo, you can simply tap on this option, replace photo. But if you want to delete this photo, tap on the option, delete photo. Now you can see over here that photo will be deleted. So that is how you delete photo on Tinder. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.